Mrs. GloZell, is you okay? Is you good? Because I want to know. Thanksgiving is coming up, and now is the time that you can fix food, and you know, it takes up so much time, but guess what? I know a way that things will go a little quicker, at least I think. So let's try it. So I'm gonna make Thanksgiving dinner, guess what? In the dishwasher. Yes, you can do it. All right, so I'm gonna make some yams. Okay, I'm gonna make some green beans. And this is a turkey loaf. It's like stuffed roasted turkey with gravy, okay? Now this happens to be vegan, but you can use whatever kind you want, all right? And I have some aluminum foil and a knife. What I need a knife for? I don't need it right now. Okay, so you take your aluminum foil and you wrap your potato. You can wash your potato if you want to, but I like the earthy taste and some kind of grit. You know, it makes me think of like, oh, this is fresh. All right. Now you can use all the green beans, but why? You ain't gotta use all the green beans. Just use some of the green beans. All right. So I like green beans. Don't you like green beans? Just take a few of the green beans. And I'm talking like you don't even have to be a good chef to do this kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? You just take it. I don't know if you get a nice display. Okay. And you wrap it up. You want to make sure all of it's wrapped up and none of it's sticking out. Okay? Like so. Oh, it's my mama. Hello?
Hey!
Hey, mama.
You busy?
I was filming a video, but we're filming with you on there. You gonna do FaceTime? You ain't got your hair on? Oh. Veggie.
Call me back when you're finished.
I'm doing a video. Mom, I'm cooking. I'm cooking some green beans.
Uh-huh.
And
I'm proud of you.
yeah, you're proud of me. And a sweet potato.
Woo! Wow.
Yeah, and making some this turkey and stuffing. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, and I'm gonna cook it in the dishwasher.
In the dishwasher.
Yes, I can't see all your face.
You gonna wrap it up in rolls wrappers up?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I heard about that.
Okay. So
I heard about that.
so we're gonna see how it goes.
Oh, okay. Put some seasoning on it.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Call me later.
Okay. Bye bye.
All right.
You still there? Okay.
You gone?
Oh, are you gone?
I thought I was, but
Okay. Bye bye.
bye-bye. I guess it'll come sooner or later.
All right. Bye bye. Okay. So mother approved. All right. Because I don't cook that often, so let me just really get there in there because this could be really good. Don't put the soap in there. Maybe instead of soap you can use seasoning. I don't know. But anywho, let's get some more and really wrap it. Also, this seals in the juices and just makes things fresh. You want a juicy potato, you want your beans juicy, and let's see, what does this vegan turkey thing? Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. All right, so now you're done with the string beans. You're almost done with your meal, really. All right, that was the gravy packet. That's it. Oh, yum. So maybe we'll just cut a little bit of this. Mmm. Smells delicious. Alright. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That smells good. It smells good. There's no dairy or meat in it really, but oh, what I do with oh. We're gonna wrap this up with the gravy. Let's just wrap a little piece up. It tastes good. Oh my goodness. With this, all right. So now I would think that it'll cook more, like just like an oven, cook more down here. Just want to separate it so it's each one of them get their own space. This is the chicken turkey thing, the turkey-less turkey. This is the sweet potato, and these are the green beans. And look, you got your whole meal already done. And that took no time, hardly, like no prep. And I'm hungry, so I can't wait. Then you just heat dry, and then heavy, because you want it, or normal. And that's it. I'm cooking. And now I'm feeling like a Martha Stewart type. It's time for the big reveal. Oh, it's hot. Whoa, it's hot. Okay, let's start with our sweet potato. Wow. Look at it, it's a pretty color. It's still as hard as a rock. I guess I should have cut it. It's got good flavor though. It does have good flavor. It's just, you know, it's a little raw. Okay, but not bad. It could be done if I cut it up. Use some seasoning. Use the string beans. Not bad. They're on the lightly cooked side. But people do eat them like this. I don't know if you call them boiled or baked. They were dishwashed. Okay, so now the turkey, which is a vegan turkey, you can use real turkey if you like, and gravy. The gravy is warm. It's not bad. Tastes good to me. So you can cook your Thanksgiving meal in the dishwasher if you like. Maybe some mustard. That's tasty. I'm a good cook. Over and out. I'm gonna cook in the dishwasher from now on. Throw in some seasonings next time. Happy Thanksgiving. Over and out. Gobble, 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 gobble. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and you can find me on all social media at GloZell.